love Hakka
and I Hakka
We love Hakka
现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, time for another Hakka song right here on Icrt. My name is Joseph Lin, and this is Emily Guan, who has a lot of experience singing in pubs with different languages from Mandarin to Taiwanese, Hakka to Japanese, Spanish, and even Portuguese. Her specialty is Latin American jazz, as you can tell from this song. Now, this song is called Teo Bai Geni, and it's a dedication to her late mom.
한기대니 태오빨갱이 모변청청 태오빨갱이 얼컨인 저바이 태오빨갱이 얼케리쳐 개오발갱이 활짝 파송보니 한기대 한기대 한기대니 한기대 한기대 태오빨갱이 가형갱이 태오빨갱이 성탱인 조타이 태오빨갱이 디호탐 콘타이 태오빨갱이
Teo Bai Geni, that actually means the way you were. 这首歌呢是来自于关凌之的作品叫《头摆的你》，但不是叫你摇头哦。这句客语的意思是从前的你，也是献给他母亲的一首歌。而关凌之拥有丰富 pub 演唱经验，擅长的语言除了客语之外，华语、闽南语当然没问题，英文、日文、西班牙文还有葡萄牙文也都包办。擅长爵士乐的他呢，常常被各大媒体誉为本土拉丁爵士天后哦。That's today's Hakka music.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.